Imagine all 6.6 billion of us just vanishing instantly. Poof, gone. What happens to our world?
Human history totally stops. Within minutes, pilotless planes plummet from the sky. It's instant automated chaos, guys.
Instantly, 50,000 power plants start failing without our fuel deliveries. The global grid, it begins shutting down fast.
The collapse is terrifyingly quick. In just 6 hours, the lights go out everywhere. Welcome back to the Dark Ages.
Without power, everyday chemical plants turn into ticking time bombs, erupting into fiery, toxic explosions all over the globe.
The fallout for our animals is absolutely heartbreaking. Within 10 days, billions of trapped pets and livestock just perish.
A wild new hierarchy kicks in. Highly bred dairy cows die off quickly, while runaway zoo camels actually thrive.
But hey, here's a silver lining. 100 million migrating birds survive every year because those deadly skyscrapers stay dark. Then, backup generators dry up. Spent nuclear fuel pools boil over, unleashing catastrophic fallout way worse than Chernobyl. Yet nature bounces back fast. Within 11 months, a massive spring rebirth kicks off, scrubbing that radioactive, human-free environment.
Ironically, city cockroaches freeze to death without central heating, while wild squirrels happily hijack our cozy, empty homes.
Fast forward decades, and expanding solar atmospheres violently drag 25,000 dead satellites and space junk right back down.
Rain turns into carbonic acid, seeping into steel rebar. It rusts, expands 10 times, and literally shatters mighty concrete.
Geography aggressively hits reverse. London floods into marshland, California becomes a desert again, and Manhattan morphs into a forest. Over centuries, this massive reset accelerates. Oceans swallow our excess carbon, rivers break completely free, and giant dams eventually fail.
Heavy snowmelt triggers a terrifying surge of water pressure that completely obliterates the monolithic Hoover Dam. It's totally gone.
Imagine the silence. Without deafening ship engines, majestic whale songs can finally travel 1,600 kilometers through the oceans again.
Pushing further ahead, iron structures crumble. Only concrete pedestals remain, until advancing glaciers eventually erase our very last monuments.
Our greatest triumphs fall together. The Eiffel Tower and Statue of Liberty are both erased by one silent enemy: rust.
Ultimately, Earth scrubs away our CO2 and radiation. Our only truly permanent legacy is actually sitting intact on the moon. So the Earth can totally get by without us. But honestly, could we ever survive without the Earth?